नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन आवर ऑनलाइन स्टडी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स.
Friends, in this video we will discuss about the mathematics of class 7 and chapter number 1 integers. So dear, in this chapter we will discuss about how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply and how to divide the integers. So let us see question for understanding these operations in the integers. So let here a question, that is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So this is the important question, and now we will learn about how to solve this question. So dear, first of all we will observe here. Here is the two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. Okay, now in these two terms we will observe which number is present in both terms. So dear, you can see that 48 is present in this term and 48 is also present in the second term. So we will write first of all 48 as just like that, you see, and minus is present also in both term. Here is one minus, here is also minus, so you take this minus also with the 48. Okay, after that here is the sign of multiplication, you put the sign of multiplication and then put the bracket. After that, when you write this 40 minus 48 just here, then remaining thing is 26. Okay, and this is plus sign, so you plus, put here plus, and now minus 36 is remaining in the second term because minus 48 you have to write in this place. So remaining things is minus 36. After that you mark a bracket. Okay, and this process is known as taking minus 48 as a common. Means if a number is present in both term, either more terms, then you will take out it, and this take out process is known as common. So we have to take 40 minus 48 as a common. Now remaining things is 26 in the first term and minus 36 into the second term. Okay, after that minus 48 you will write same to same, and you will add these integers. So dear, this is 26 and this is minus 36, and plus is also present here. So plus and minus, the multiplication of plus and minus is minus. You keep in mind every time that the multiplication of opposite sign give you always minus sign, and the same sign, the multiplication of same sign give you always plus sign. Okay dear, so here is the minus sign and second one is plus sign, that is they are opposite sign give you minus. After that you put the number, that is 36. Okay, now this is positive 26 and this is negative 36. One is positive and second is negative. If sign are once again negative and positive in case of addition and subtraction, then you will always subtract to each other. Okay, so minus 48 you will write just like same to same into, and you subtract these two numbers to each other. So 36 minus 26, what you get? 10 only. Now you observe which number is greater here. 36 is greater than the 26, and 36 is containing negative sign. So you mark minus 10. Okay, means number which is greater and have sign positive or negative, as you see, you put that sign in the subtraction in the result. Okay, so 36 is greater than 26, and 36 have the negative sign, so you put minus. Why? Because 36 is greater than the 26. Okay, now you multiply these integers, minus and minus. I told you above, the multiplication of same sign gives you plus. So here is minus into minus, that is plus. And 48 into 10, that is 480. You will put only 0 here. No need to multiply this number by the multiplication process. You will put only 0 in this. So this is your answer. Okay, dear? So this is an important question for the examination also. Now let us another question to understand the process. Okay, so what is the process? How to add and subtract, divide and multiply the integers. Verify the following. Next question is verify the following. Question is that 18 into 7 minus 3. 18 into under bracket 7 minus 7 and plus minus 3. It gives you 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So dear, you have already learned this is a distributive property. 18 is distributed to 7 and 3, that is 18 into 7 and 18 into minus 3. So question says verify it, that the both sides are equal or not. So dear, we will write left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side, this is first part, and right hand side, this is the second part. So we will write here left hand side, that is 18 into 7 plus minus 3, that is 18 into 7 plus and minus. Dear, once again, the multiplication of opposite sign is plus and minus, that is minus. Okay, minus 3. This gives you once again 18 into 7 minus 3 means 7 minus 3 means 4, and 18 4 ja 72. Okay, now dear, next part, right hand side. Right hand side is given that 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So 18 7 ja, you know, 18 7 ja 126, and plus 18 3 ja 54, and here is negative sign is present, so you put negative sign. So what you get? 126 minus 54. So what you get? That is, again you will write it at 26 plus and minus means minus, because I am already told you that the multiplication of plus and minus is always minus. So here is the minus sign, and 126 minus 54, that is 72. So you observe the result of left hand side and result of the right hand side. Both result is equal. So you will write here, therefore since left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. So dear, this is. Now let's question number 3. Question number 3 is verify that A divided by B under bracket B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C, and given A equal to 12, B equal to minus 4 and C equal to 2. So question says verify it. So dear, first of all we will take A divided by B plus C. This is let us left hand side, and this is right hand side. Okay, now you take here left hand side. left hand side is a divided by b plus under bracket b plus c. But here is given here a equal to 12, b equal to -4 and c equal to 2. On putting these value, on putting a equal to 12, b equal to -4 and c equal to 2. In this, what you get? Then we will get a means 12 divide by under bracket b means 4 the plus c means 2. Okay, but the rule for solution of any question, first of all we operate the bracket. So first of all we operate the bracket, that is -4 plus 2. So here is the opposite sign, one is negative and second is positive, so always you subtract to each other. So this gives you 4 minus 2, that is 2. And which one is greater? 4 is greater than 2 and 4 is containing negative sign, so this gives you negative, that is -2. Now 12 divided by -2, because here is negative sign, so first of all you put negative sign. After that 12 divided by 2, so 2 6 ja 12, that is 6. So the value of left hand side is -6. Now we have to take right hand side, and right hand side is a divided by b plus a divided by c. So again you put the value, a means 12 divided by b means -4 and plus a divided by c means this is you can put here this bracket, and a divided by c, that is 12 divided by c means 2, again this bracket. So what you get? First of all you see this is the negative sign, so you mark minus, and 12 by 4, that is 3. Okay, 4 3 ja 12, and plus this is the positive sign, and 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Now once again you see here sign are opposite, it means you will subtract it. So 6 minus 3, that is 3, and 6 is greater than 3, therefore 6 containing positive sign, so you will put here plus. So no need to plus here because this is understood. So dear, here left hand side, observe you, left hand side is -6 and the right hand side is +3, so it is not equal. So you write here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And this is question is that left hand side is not right hand side, so hence verified. So dear, I think that all the steps are clear.
So thank you friends to watching my video up to last, and don't forget to like, share and comment it, and subscribe my channel for getting first of all my video. Thank you once again.